Day in the week. It's October 23rd, 2012, day 142 of the project, and today I'm going to talk about um, time management and or lack thereof. As you know, I finished my portfolio last night. I don't tell you, I finished it at well, I didn't get to bed till 8 in the morning. We'll leave it at that. It was very late. I was tired. Great unhappiness, or tiredness, exhaustion, whatever else you want to call it, pretty much happened. And typically how my portfolios go, I don't usually stay that late, but on occasion it does happen. Basically, I often lack the time of setting aside the proper amount of time I need to finish something, which really, really sucks. But I need to really, really work on that. But I always think that I have enough time, and then I'll start the project, and it'll be at least twice that. And I really should remember that, but I still haven't. So I'm gonna try and work on that for the next portfolios and try to get out of the studio before midnight, when that's be a miracle. Otherwise, I guess I'll be in there again, ruining my sleep patterns and my health and whatever else. And yeah, no, if you don't properly manage your time, your entire body just goes to heck completely. I have given up on eating healthy at all last week. I'm trying to do better this week. It still hasn't really worked, but only so much you can do. So yeah, I think that's about my little spiel for it. This movie is ridiculously short, but you know what? I'm tired. It's late, and I'm enjoying some downtime with the housemates. So that's where that stands. I will see you, I guess, tomorrow. Bye.